Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this small tool to replace, to remove your tire to change flat tubes. Okay, so it's very lightweight. I'm going to show you two wheels. One is my Blade X carbon rim, the other is standard Bondager Taylor rim. One is fitted with gator skin, the another is with GP5000. So always start the opposite side of the valve. So tire has been removed. This tool will not pinch your tube, so you can remove your faulty tube, change the new one, or fix the flat and then put it back. Now the fun part is putting it back. So again, start opposite to that tube valve. So create a slack, see that the tube tire sits in the well. So this is the toughest part, taking the tool. That's it. So now the tire is in. You can check and fix it flat. So one wheel is out, the other is in. This is gator skin. That is relatively easy because that is GP5000. So it is a bit tough. Ow. I just received the tool today, so I made to get used to it. Probably if you try one or two times, then so if you are used to removing gator skin or gator shell tire, you know how hard it is to put it back and remove it. So now I have removed it. I'm going to fix it again. Same way, start from the opposite direction of that valve position. Work your way through. Okay, stop here. Okay, probably I should. Create enough slackness that the tire sit comfortably in the well of that rim. It's not going to be that easy compared to that GP5000. Ow. As simple as that. So this is how easy it is to remove your tire and fix it back. So when I bought this tool, the gap between the part which goes into the rim was too small for both of my rims, so I widened it using a soldering iron. So if you have this problem, you can easily modify it. Good to try. It is Tyre Glide. I bought it from UK.